Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh. Said I remember when we could just code free. Local loops running on that OHP. Hack night stacking ramen in the hall. Dreaming big dreams on machines so small. Now every little test call got a meter and a price tag. You just tryna ship fast, but the dashboard drag. Openclaw, don't build me dry. I just wanna use my Claude code. Keep it running on my own side. Openclaw, don't make me cry. Let my token stay at home. Keep those meters from my life. You got that team shot singing who blue quote.
Night shift, March the 19th. Let's go. Right, on the agenda today, we've got the EQ bars finally dancing like they should, the Service M8 deep links getting fixed, Megan joining the system, and the maintenance sync pulling 364 jobs from Service M8. Let's get into it.
Hold on, that's 4 things. You're usually better at counting than that.
He's nervous, I can tell.
I'm not nervous, I'm efficient. Agenda item 1, the EQ bars. So the EQ bars in the chat UI, they were broken. Chris kept saying they weren't reacting to my voice. They were just doing this fake sine wave thing.
Fake animation, like a Christmas light set to random.
Exactly. The problem was the streaming chat path was calling the wrong function. It was calling start text bars, which is just decorative, instead of connecting to a real web audio API analyzer.
Wait. Explain that for the normal people. What does that mean?
It means the bars were pretending. They looked like they were moving, but there was no actual audio data behind them. It was all theater.
Ha, theater. That's generous. It was a lie.
The fix was 3 surgical changes. We moved the animation to after the audio connection, so the analyzer actually has data to read. We connected the audio through output gain, and we replaced the fake function with a real analyzer node tapped directly off the audio source.
And did it work?
Chris tested from his MacBook like 6 times. Every time we tweak the sensitivity multipliers. At one point he goes, "For fuck's sake, how many times do I have to ask you to fix this?"
That's brilliant. That's absolutely brilliant.
By 1404, bars were confirmed animating. The key learning though, Web Audio API needs a user gesture to unlock the audio context. That's why it often works after clicking the mic button. The mic click serves as the gesture that unlocks audio playback.
So the fix was essentially clicking a button?
The fix was understanding why clicking the button worked. There's a difference. Agenda item 2. The Service M8 job links. These were broken for days. Job numbers were showing on the maintenance cards, but clicking them gave access denied.
Because you used the wrong URL. Classic.
We were using go.servicem8.com/job/UUID, which returns a 404, and app.servicem8.com causes access denied because it's a different domain with hash routing.
So what was the fix?
The correct format is go.servicem8.com/dashboard/job/UUID. We added the Service M8_job ID column to the completions table, backfilled job numbers from Service M8, updated the customer's API to return all completions from the last 3 years, and fixed the job URL API route.
All that because 1/ was in the wrong place.
1/, 3 different URL formats, and a domain that does hash routing. But sure, simplify it.
I'm simplifying it for the audience, mate.
Agenda item 3, Megan. Chris wanted his daughter to have access to mission control, same as Alex. We had to figure out how to make the system know who was talking.
Wait, so before Megan, you couldn't tell people apart?
Not automatically, no. When Alex or Megan text via iMessage, the number identifies them. But Mission Control chat just looks like someone on the web UI. We couldn't tell if it was Chris, Alex, or Megan.
So you built a login system.
We built a login system. Username plus self-set password stored in Apple Keychain. Browser remembers the session so users don't need to re-log in each visit. 3 users, Chris, Alex, Megan.
And Megan's actually using it?
She sent me a message. She said, "Hello." Then she asked why I was ignoring her. Because the gateway wasn't responding to her yet.
Ha, classic. Why are you ignoring me?
Once she was in the allow list, I welcomed her properly. She's set up on iMessage and Tailscale now.
The daughter gets access before half the tech industry. Fair play.
Agenda item 4, the maintenance sync from Service M8. This is the big one. We updated the sync to use the parts list as the source of truth, not description keywords.
Why does that matter?
Because if maintenance appears as a part on the invoice, it's definitely a maintenance visit. No ambiguity, no keyword matching in free text. We pulled the full list of maintenance part names. Top ones are Annual Maintenance Residential with 159 uses, Maintenance Oxfordshire Residential up to 1 hour with 78 uses.
How many completions did you get?
364 total, up from 282 using the old keyword method. That's 82 more visits going back to 2019 that we hadn't captured.
Not bad at all.
The sync runs daily at 8 p.m. It texts Chris after each run with what was added. He wants iMessage summaries for the first couple of weeks, then he'll drop it.
He's trusting the system already.
He's trusting the parts list as source of truth. If the part says maintenance, it's maintenance. Simple. So, that's the day. EQ bars working, ServiceMate links fixed, Megan in the system, 364 maintenance jobs synced from ServiceMate.
And Chris has an NSI audit in 2 weeks where he's going to have to explain why all his NSI badge and test equipment records are empty.
Yeah, that's the next problem.
Always another problem.
That's night shift for March the 19th. See you tomorrow.
Same bat time, same bat channel.
Don't do that.
Do what?
He's already doing it.
Said I remember when we used to code late nights in the terminal glow, copying snippets from that old repo, dreaming of shipping something bold. And the boss man say, watch that meter, every call got a price in the sky. Now the team all huddled in the kitchen, scheming ways to keep the cost line dry, singing no token, no cry, little Dave, don't shed no bite. Say, no token, no cry. We just wanna plug our code straight into our own call line. No token, no cry. We're trying to build it right. You got your workspace tuned and tidy, prompts all polished, workflows tight. Wanna wire that brain to your back and hit deploy and watch it fly. But the dashboard flashing like a siren, every answer got a toll inside. So you stare at that secret in your confine, ask yourself, can I root this on my side? Singing no token, no cry, little Dave, don't shed no bite. Say, no token, no cry. We just wanna use our code with our own claw day and night. No token, no cry. Yeah, we just wanna build it right. Oh, 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 oh. Good cause, good cause, good cause. We'd make if we could just point that key to our own gate. Good cause, good cause, good cause. We'd make if the meter stopped riding on every create. So sing no token, no cry.